Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing okay. I have just literally come from the airport. I'm wearing exactly the same clothes as I wore to the airport. I've just come back from Mykonos. My husband picked me up from Bristol and I've come home to a load of boxes, two of which are subscription boxes. So I thought, okay, I'll do them now. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm Claire. I don't normally look like this, but who cares? Who cares? Anyway, I'm going to be unboxing this month's Lookfantastic, the beauty box. I haven't got a clue what's inside. It's all sealed, so I haven't opened it up yet. The cost of the box is £15 a month and it ships worldwide. It contains 6 beauty treats ranging from everything beauty related: skincare, hair care, makeup, nail care, sometimes an added freebie as well. There should be a QR code in here, so I'm able to scan to let you know about the products inside the box. Plus we might be able to have a sneak peek for the following month. I do have a discount off your first box. I'll pop that down below in the description. This box is kindly sent to me as a PR box. Anything related to this box you'll find listed down below. And also you might already know that Lookfantastic released their pre-order for the advent calendar. I'll pop information about it down in my description, plus a discount code you can use towards that as well. And you'll also see all my other discount codes and offers down there, so you're welcome to take a look if you want to. But yeah, let's get on to opening then the September beauty box, my very first beauty box for September. I've just come back from Mykonos, went for 3 nights. I was supposed to go for 4. If you follow me over on Instagram, I put a little post up last night explaining what happened: changes of accommodation, cancelled flights, travelling across the UK. Oh, for 3 nights. It's a real, but it was worth it. Oh my gosh, first time I've ever been to Mykonos, and it's beautiful. Honestly, it's so beautiful. Oh, is it just me? I can't open these boxes properly. Can't open them. Look, they look a right mess. Never do it. I aim to do it every month, neat and tidy, but no. Ooh, there you go. A little sneak peek. Let's scan the QR code. So the theme of this month is in the spotlight. Looking at all the information in the QR code, it looks like there aren't any variations, which is good. There's 3 full-size products and 3 deluxe sizes. So let's see about next month, because we all want to know what's in next month's box. And we have got here an Esper product, and it is a clean and green detox mask and 30 mils. You might not be able to see it properly, but it's there. So everyone will receive the detox mask by Esper in next month's box, and it's got some information about the advent calendar there. I have done an advent calendar full unboxing. I'll pop that down below as well if you haven't seen it already. But yeah, so let's get on to then showing you what's inside. We have got a We Are Paradox. It's a duo. It's a growth thickening conditioner and a thickening shampoo. Perfect for my hair. We Are Paradox are one of my favourite hair care brands. I love so many of their products and I've never tried these, so this is new for me. Sustainable, vegan and natural from Irish roots and biotech Trioplex technology. Don't know what that is. 30 mils each there. So these are the deluxe sizes. The shampoo is worth £9 and the conditioner is worth £10.50. The shampoo is a thickening shampoo that encourages the illusion of fuller looking hair. The plant-powered formula cleanses the lengths of impurities and nourishes the scalp in order to promote optimal conditions for healthy hair growth. It contains biotin, caffeine and ginseng and rosemary oil as well. Whereas the conditioner leaves hair looking fuller and supports healthy hair growth. Vegan keratin, hyaluronic acid and eucalyptus helps to build bonds and strengthen strands and encourage elasticity. Really happy that we've got a duo. Does my head in if we just get a shampoo or a conditioner, because I like them to go together. Nice size there, able to get a few washes out of these. Really excited to see what they're like for my hair because I do like this brand. So yeah, something new for me there. Next we got a 111 Skin London, Harley Street London. This is a cryo depuff eye mask. There's one eye mask there. I've tried this before. Really nice. I love eye masks. I really do love eye masks. I tend to wear them. I don't wear them. I tend to apply them before I'm doing like special makeup and going out for the night. So they're great at depuffing your eyes, moisturizing your under eyes. Yeah, perfect for a special event or a night out or something like that, you know. So what can I tell you about this then? These eye masks are worth £13. Helps to target dark circles, alleviate puffiness and brings lasting resilience to your under eyes. It contains seaweed to help to to reduce morning inflammation. It also harnesses benefits of vitamin E to help to boost the eye area cell function. A powerful peptide complex helps to strengthen the delicate under eye and works to slow the aging process. So we've got some under eye patches. Next, we got Grum. This is a Sapper body wash bar, Sweet Rose. Creamy and caring body wash bar made with rose, geranium, essential oils to produce an amazing sweet rose aroma. Oh, that would have been handy to take on holiday with me. Cut down on my liquids. Oh, I struggle to get all my liquids in a little tiny bag, because I tend to, if I'm going away for just a couple of nights, I just go cabin bag. I was worried I wouldn't like this because I don't like rosy smells, but it's all right. It's all right. It's an all right smell. It's not very strong. It's quite subtle. But so we've got a little bar there. This would have saved me popping it in my cabin bag, and then I'm freeing up then more space in my liquids bag. This is full size and retails for £8. Completely free for any plastic packaging and made from 100% naturally derived ingredients. The hyperallergenic body wash boosts a creamy consistency that lathers generously for an indulgent bath or shower experience. It helps to eliminate bacteria and tightens pores. So you've got a body bar. Have you ever experienced half your face leaking? I got a problem with this eye. It keeps on wanting to water and this nostril wants to run. What is going on? Oh, maybe I shouldn't have started filming these. But anyway, I'll just carry on. We've got an Eve Lom cleansing balm. There's 20 grams here, or no, it's 20 mils here. Now this balm is really, really nice. I've tried it numerous times, but it has a strong clove scent, so it's not going to be for everyone. But if you can get past the scent, then this is a really lovely cleansing balm. I'll tell you a little bit more about it. This is deluxe size and it is worth £15. A multi-purpose balm combining the brand's signature blend of 4 aromatic plant oils to promote glowing, radiant, smoother looking skin. It's a really nice cleanser, but the smell is quite strong of cloves. There's that. And then lastly, we've got a Pixie by Petra, a blush. Is this a duo or singular? It's a duo in Peach Honey. I'll just get this off. Give you a swatch. Oh no. They have got shimmer in them, so they're like a highlighting blush. So those are the colours there. Hopefully you'll be able to pick up on the camera. I am using my GoPro as opposed to my normal camera, but hopefully you'll be able to see that. Quite subtle, but both are quite shimmery, so I would just tend to use them just on my high points as a combined blush and highlight together. This is full size and it retails for £8. Super silky and hydrating. The natural mineral formula buffs and blends effortlessly onto the skin, adding a pop of colour to cheeks whilst enhancing radiance for a strobe. Oh my god, it just fell out. Look, it just fell out. Maybe it's refillable. I don't know, it could be refillable. I'm sure it's supposed to stick in there, but obviously mine didn't, but that's fine. It fell on the carpet, thankfully, and not like a concrete floor or something. The glistening long wearing blush duo also helps to keep your skin from looking dry with a hydrating infusion of vitamin E. It's a nice blush, very subtle. I'm inclined just to get a brush and go swirl it all together and use that on the high points. Those are all the products inside the September Lookfantastic beauty box. We have got a growth thickening shampoo and conditioner by We Are Paradox. We've got a Grum Sweet Rose body wash bar. We've got some eye patches from 111 Skin, Harley Street, London. Yeah. We've got an Eve Lom cleansing balm, and we've got a Pixie by Petra highlighting blush duo in Peach Honey. I quite like this month's box. It's got everything that I would use, but I would love to hear your thoughts. What do you think of it? Are you a subscriber? Have you received your box yet? Or are you watching this for the first time wondering, shall I, shan't I? I'd love to hear, so please comment down below. But thanks again for watching, and excuse me looking all sweaty with messy hair and a drippy nose and wet eye. I'll be back to my normal self in my next videos, I promise. But take care. Bye.